everyone, welcome to Mexican Food by Laura. Today we're making a Nopales salad, super easy, very delicious, tasteful, and full of vitamins, nutrients, but more of anything flavor. So let's start. For this recipe you will need 3 cups of cooked nopales. If you don't know how to make them, I leave you the recipe right here. 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 jalapeno if you don't want it that spicy. If you love spicy, go for the serrano, just cut in slices. 1 cup of onion, chopped onion, 2 cups of chopped tomato, half a cup of vinegar. This is white vinegar, you can use apple vinegar. About 3 tablespoons of cilantro. We will use salt to taste, and you can use avocado oil or olive oil. So we are all set to start. We're gonna start with the onion. And the secret over here is to rinse with the vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's kind of pickled onions, and this is gonna give it so much flavor. To this, I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of oregano. And if you have time, let it rest for about 3 minutes. Now add the nopales, the tomato, cilantro, and the jalapeno or serrano. Now let's mix all together. Add salt to taste. As easy as this, you got your Nopales salad. The most it rests, the most flavorish it gets. And at the very end, add some avocado, chop avocado in squares. Oh my God, on top of a tostada, next to some rice. You can have it with crackers. It's super, super delicious. Look at all the colors and flavor, and so much freshness for this summer. Now place this salad on top of a tostada, and this is so good. You're gonna love it. You're totally gonna love it. Remember that you can learn from a Mexican mom. Authentic Mexican food cooked in a healthier way. So guys, I have many recipes with nopales that I hope you can enjoy. Remember to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on my social media and my blog, where you can find daily inspiration, www.mexicanfoodbylaura.com. And I see you next week with more delicious recipes. Adios, amigos.